The European Space Agency's JUICE spacecraft launched atop an Ariane 5 rocket from Europe's spaceport in Kourou, French Guiana on Friday, April 14th, after a one-day delay caused by the threat of lightning at the launch site. Spacecraft separation occurred some 28 minutes after liftoff. The JUICE spacecraft is specifically designed to study Jupiter and its three largest moons, Ganymede, Europa, and Callisto. It will carry a suite of scientific instruments to study the atmosphere, magnetic field, and radiation environment of Jupiter, as well as the geology, composition, and potential habitability of its icy moons. The spacecraft will also carry a high-resolution camera and a laser altimeter. These instruments will help scientists to map the surface of the moons and study their geology. The JUICE spacecraft will also carry a radio science instrument to study the atmosphere and the interior of Ganymede. However, the mission faced setbacks when the COVID-19 pandemic hit and caused delays in the launch. Originally scheduled for launch in 2022. And the spacecraft will take a different route to Jupiter that will take 7.5 years to arrive and spend at least 3 years exploring Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. To get to Jupiter, JUICE will receive a total of 4 inner solar system gravity assists from the Moon, Earth, and Venus. JUICE will head toward its first gravity assist in August 2024 after completing its first solar orbit, and this will be a very special one for the ESA craft and for space exploration in general. This will be a combined Moon and Earth gravity assist, officially called a Lunar Earth Gravity Assist, the first time such an operation has been performed. The first one will be very challenging, because it will be not just an Earth gravity assist, a Lunar Earth gravity assist, which means that we have to pass by Earth and the Moon at the same time. So this will be the most accurate gravity assist maneuver ever done. The next gravity assist for JUICE will occur a year later, in August 2025, when the spacecraft gets a boost from the second planet from the Sun, Venus. The spacecraft's next 2 gravity assists will both come from Earth. JUICE will fly by our planet in September 2026 and will then make one final visit to Earth in January 2029, when it gets yet another gravitational kick, its last one before reaching Jupiter. That won't be the end of the gravity assists for JUICE, however. Even after it has begun its scientific mission, the spacecraft will need to perform gravity assists to get to the moons Ganymede, Europa, and Callisto. JUICE will orbit Jupiter initially, performing multiple flybys of those 3 moons. It will then shift to orbiting Ganymede in 2035, becoming the first probe ever to orbit a moon other than Earth's.